What if you could talk to your terminal like it's your teammate? Google just made that possible. Hey everyone, I'm Abdul Aziz Ahwan here. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up the brand new Gemini CLI, an open source AI agent from Google that brings conversational AI right into your command line. It's like Gemini, like regular Gemini, but for your terminal, helping you to code, automate tasks, and supercharge productivity. We can say this is an alternative for cloud code. Whether you are developer, tech enthusiast, or just AI curious, let's install this Gemini CLI together and explore what it can do for us. So, let's get started. Alright, so first thing first, I want to say thank you to all of you who have supported me to this channel. And now you can also support me by click super thanks, or you can just join membership on this YouTube channel. Alright, here it's around 1 week ago, Google just released Gemini CLI and it's open source. Here, let's see. You can read all the detail here. Just click link in the description below. Here, Gemini CLI is free of charge. Simply log in with a personal Google account to get a free Gemini. It's like a Gemini Code Assist license here that we can get access to Gemini 2.5 Pro and its massive 1 million token context window. And also, we'll get around 60 model requests per minute and 1,000 requests per day at no charge. And if we are professional developer who need to run multiple agents simultaneously, or if we prefer to use specific model, we can use Google AI Studio or Vertex AI that it's based on usage-based billing. Here you can read all the detail here. And what Gemini CLI can do here. Gemini CLI provide powerful AI capabilities. Here they can help us to write a code and then find a bug here. And also we can fetch web page and provide real-time external contact to the model. And also it support MCP server and so on and so on. And this is the example. We can generate a VO2 video here, making a short video inside this Gemini CLI. And this kind of like the differentiation between Gemini CLI and also Gemini Code Assist. Here, Gemini Code Assist is a coding assistant, but Gemini CLI also using same technology here that we can place any prompt into the chat window using agent mode. Here, we can read here. Alright, so let's get started. Just click this one and it will bring us to the GitHub repository. And this is the requirement. Make sure we have installed Node.js version at least 18 or higher. So let's test Node -v and my Node version is 24. And then we can just simply copy this command, or we can install using this. To install globally, just press enter and then just proceed. Here, after we install this command, we pick a color theme and then we need to authenticate using our personal account. Alright, we can just press up and down keyboard here to see what we want. I think this one, but I prefer to use this dark version, Atom 1 or yes, I think Atom 1, and then just press enter. And we need to select authentication method. We can just using this login with Google. And now as we can see, authentication successful here. And yeah, after this process, we are successfully and ready to use Gemini CLI. Let's try. Alright, so this is the answer. My question is just explain why the sky is blue in simple term. And this is the answer from Gemini CLI. Sunlight is made of blah blah blah. So when you look at the sky, you will see the blue light scatter everywhere. Alright, so I have an existing project here, and on this repository it says we can just type Gemini on existing or newly cloned project. Here, let's open a terminal and then type a Gemini, and it will open up something like this. And let's add a new terminal, and this is like Node.js project. We can run using this dev, and the URL is this localhost 3000, and then open a new tab. And yeah, this kind of like a simple website that shows the reason or the feed from my personal website, which is abdulazizahwan.com. And when I also check here, the new one is this 27 June 2025, and it also this 27 June 2025. And I got some problem here. When we scroll on desktop, it's okay, but when we on mobile version, when I scroll, this filter or search box is overflow with header. So I want to test the Gemini CLI to fix that. So let's check where the header is. Header on page.jsx. So here we can just say, I'm sorry, here at page.jsx, where the search box or filter box is overflow with header. Would you? Alright, it's still running. Debug investigating. Alright, here, and we can select allow once, allow always, or we can modify with external editor. So let's just allow once. Let's see what's happened on this. They say they have adjusted the position of the search and filter box to prevent overlapping when the header is scroll. Let's check here. Okay, so let's check it on. So this is the live website on the live app. Here previously the search box is overlapped with the header, and now the reason, which is on my local machine, now it's fixed by Gemini CLI. Now it fixed this one, but it's still a little overflow on this, something like padding or margin, and we can say it's work. I don't know it is work or not. So they say we'll add smoother animation, loading skeleton, visual polish, and scroll to top button. Alright, now they add several update here with this green color, and also remove or change like this. And yeah, apply enhancement, more polish and interactive interface. Let's see. Alright, now on mobile version, the last update information shows on the top right. Previously it's below of this latest article. It's okay when on a bigger screen, but on mobile screen, I think it's so crowded, and also it's back to have a little problem here. Now search box is overflow again with the header. Alright, so yeah, I think we have to here specific and also clear for the instruction to make the Gemini CLI work perfectly as we want. So yeah, I think that's all my video today, how we install Gemini CLI, and in this video we just a quick look on this Gemini CLI. And if you have any question or comment, write it down in the comment field. Thanks so much and see you again on the next video.